What's up, guys? Today I figured I'd show you how to make a mouse pad. I did this back, I think, in 2019, where I took a piece of yoga mat and then a piece of material and I inset it in this plastic tray that, I got at Big Lots quite some time ago, and then I used some pipe foam on this, and it's looking ratty again. So I'm sick of it looking that way. I figured I'd use a piece of 1/4-inch Lawan plywood, stain it ebony, and the way I'm doing this is I took a sheet of paper, just regular printer paper, wrapped it around, taped it, and then I took a pencil and I drew right around there. So the back, is a little more difficult to draw. Alright, so you can see all I did is took the pencil and, roughed that in. Hopefully the camera's picking that up, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to take it off and we're going to cut it with a pair of scissors. Alright, so once you cut the paper out, and you can see over here I fucked this up a little bit. What we're going to do is just take a scrap piece of paper and we're going to trace this part that is, right onto here, and then we'll tape that over there and we'll have our template. So in order to get this piece now attached to here, we're going to use some double-sided tape, and all you want to do is just put this into the corner. So if you fuck this one up, just do the same thing. Put a piece of paper in here and trace this, then cut it out, tape it, and do the same. Alright, so you can see all I did is put some masking tape on there to hold that, and then she fits in there nice. Now we have our template, trace it on the wood, cut the wood out. Alright, so all we're going to do is just lay our template there, and you can see I have 2 pieces of masking tape to secure it. Make sure you have a straight cut here like I do, and you can see I'm off on my template just a little bit. So we're going to leave that, and then we'll sand it and fine tune it as we go along. Alright, so a little tip, take a square, and after you're done tracing the curves, top and bottom, take the square and line it up from there to here, and then do the bottom and just draw a line here and here. You're ready to cut it out. Save you a lot of time, and you're insured to have a nice 90-degree cut. Alright, so all I did is take a square and then I clamped it there. And what we are looking at here is oscillating tool. So you want to set the blade, if you can see the pencil line, just enough to go in there and right along that line to get a straight edge. You're gonna have to clamp that other side down or hold it, and then we'll do the same here. And then you're gonna kind of have to freehand this part and just sand it. Alright, so after you make that cut, what you'll do is turn the square, and then you'll put it on the black line going up, and then we'll take our multi-tool and cut down, and you'll have a perfect 90 along with that side being a 90. Alright, so we got the blank cut out. It took some finessing, but she fits in there. So here's the plastic. Fits in there nice. And all we're going to do is stain it up now, and then we'll seal it with, I don't know, some kind of wax or something, so it has a nice gliding surface. Alright, so we got it stained up. Now we're going to use this tung oil, and we're going to seal it with that. Alright, so there she is. Used some 4/0 steel wool on there. Got a nice shine. And stay tuned for part 2 when I do this part.